Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. Kia ora. No mai hoki mai ki te wānanga Kapahaka for Kids, and welcome back to Kapahaka for Kids for another day. Today is Kōrero Pūrākau Thursdays, it's Storytime Thursdays, so we're going to kick into a little bit of Kapahaka today. I've got my trusty guitar with me, and then about halfway through, we'll settle in for a cup of tea and have a little bit of a kōrero, eh? Tell you a little bit of a story. Ka pai? Awesome. Well, let's start with our karakia. Kia hora te marino. You and I together. Toru wha. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi. I mua i tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Morena, morena. Kia ora tātou. Ka mana para tauanga wha. E ke mele pere te uenge whe. I ki mini piri te uenge whe. O ka mono poro tauanga wha. Ready to try that one just a little bit faster? Yeah, of course you are, of course you are. Kia tere te haere, speed them up. Ahaka mana para tawanga pa. Eke mene pere te wene pe. Iti mini piri ti wini fi. Oh, komono puro tawanga po. Ah, eh, I o u. Ukumunu puru tuwumu. Woo! So fast I dropped my guitar pick. Luckily for me, I got another one right in my hand. So here we go. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. You should know the actions by now, so give them a red hot go, and if you don't make them up, sing along with me, eh? Tūtira mai. We'll sing it twice this morning. Everyone in the house should be up. If mum and dad are on a Zoom hui, interrupt it. Get them in for some tūtira mai, and then they can go back to it. Here we go. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Pai o te maramatanga. Me te aroha. Kia tapatahi, kia tatahira. Tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Pai o te maramatanga. Me te aroha e ngā iwi. Kia papatahi, kia kukakira. Tātou tātou e. Tātou tātou puriti a kapo. Hia wehi! Ka mau te wehi, tūtira mai ngā iwi, kia ora tātou. We're pretty good at tūtira mai ngā iwi, eh? Yeah, we love that one. Ki raro, hope! Pūrere hua toru wha. Pūrere hua rere runga hau. Papa ki parira urere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papa ki parira urere runga hau. Ka tau runga pua uai. Ka whanau hua, a pūrere hua. Ka tahi ka rua, ka toru ka wha. Ka ru, ka re. Ka puta e whawhe ano, pūrere hua, rere runga hau. Papa ki parira urere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papa ki parira urere runga hau. Tihei mauri ora. Ka mau te wehi, koutou, ka mau te wehi. Karanga mai, we're going to sing it twice. But as you know, the first time, that's right, the first time, we just sing it normal. Second time, what do? You got it, super fast. So here we go. Kiraro, we're waiting. Hope, we're ready to go. Karanga mai, toru wha. Karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu, kori, he manu, fia, piwai waka e. Kia ora tātou, te mea tuarua, kia tere te haere, hope, toru wha, karanga mai, piwai waka e, tuki mai, piwai waka e, he manu, kori, he manu, fia, piwai waka e. Whoo! I catch my breath after that one. That was super fast. Well done for being able to keep up with that one. It wasn't easy, but you did a fantastic job. Ka pai te mahi. Great job. Tihei Mauri ora, this is one of our welcoming songs, reassuring our visitors of our hospitality. Tuake manakitia. We are here to look after you. Hope. Tihei toru wha. Tihei Mauri ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia, tuake manakitia, ngā iwi kia ora, tahiru atoru wha, hi au e hi. Kia ora, ka pai. Let's sing Tihei Mauri ora one more time. This time we'll use the guitar, eh? And if you can remember those actions, give them a red hot go. Otherwise, as always, make it up. It's all good. We'll sing it in A and see how we get on, eh? Tihei toru wha. Tihei Mauri ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia, tuake manakitia, ngā iwi kia ora, tahiru atoru wha, hi au e hi. Ana te mahi. Pairawa. Very good. Very good. Do you like Tihei Mauri ora? Yeah. Cool. Good to know. Right, if you've got a poi handy, grab a poi and we'll do a quick once through our 3 poi songs. E rere taku poi, he poi whati, and the other one. Here we go. Kia mau tō poi, toru wha. E rere taku poi, ki runga. E rere taku poi, ki raro. E rere runga, e rere raro, e rere roto, e rere waho. Erere taku poi, kirunga, that's up. Kiraro, that's down. Kiroto, inside. Kiwaho e. Mauri ora kia koutou. Ka pai te mahi. One of the things when we are doing poi though, don't forget to smile. Hey, no one wants to see this. All right, here we go. Hope. He poi whati, 4 catch into the rainbow, toru wha. He poi whati e. He poi kori, He poe kori koria. Take it to the shoulder. He poe kani kani mene mene pukana e. He poe kani kani. He poe kani kani mene mene pukana. He poe kani kani mene mene pukana. Tēnā koutou e poi ana I tēnei ata ka mau te wehi. Kia ora tātou. One more poi song for us. This is poi poi e. We'll start on the shoulder, we'll move into the hand, and we'll finish with some shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch at the end. Ka poi? Kia ora tātou. Me timata. Poi poi e, poi kia mau. Toru, wha. Poi poi e, poi poi e. Lere atu, poi poi e. Again. Poi poi e, triple. Lere atu, poi poi e. Ti patu o, ti patu mai. Lere atu, ti patu mai. Ti patu o, ti patu mai. 6. Lere atu, ti patu mai. Owe, hey, hey, ha. Hey, hey, ha. Hey, hey, ha. Hey, hey, ha. Woo! Kia ora tātou. Ka mau te poi. Too much, alright? Too much. How you doing with your poi anyway? Yeah? Doing some poi in your own time? Oh, that's fabulous. Keep it up. You keep that up. Now, I don't know if you could hear or not, but in the far distant background, you might have heard a little girl's voice, and that's Ivy. That's my daughter. She does KH4K as well. You would think that she would do it here live in the lounge with me where she can see me, but actually she prefers to do it on the laptop in the bedroom. So, hey, at least she's doing it. Eh? That's all that matters. Here we go. Haka number 1. We're going to do 2 haka today. The first haka is heto heto. We have been through both verses now, so we're going to do it twice. First time we're going to go through, we're going to walk it through. Second time through, we're going to give it everything we've got. All right? Oh yeah, here we go. Kiraro. Toro no titaha, titaha. Titaha, heto. Heto, heto. Kia maia, kia maia. Heto, heto. Kia maia, kia maia. He kakano ruia mai. Hirangi a te ahi. Papaki titaha, titaha. Uhia. Uhia, uhia. Te kaha, te kaha. Uhia, uhia. Te kaha, te kaha. Kia tū rangatira. Mo apopo auehi. Ooh, eh? You ready? Ready to step it up? Okay, bye. Well, before we jump into our haka for realsies, why don't you give me the 3 haka rules, yeah? Number 1, strong face. Good work, good work. Number 2, yes, strong actions. And the third one? No, try again. Yes, strong voice. Strong face, strong actions, strong voice. Ka pai. But your answer when you said strong heart, yeah, throw that one in there as well. Kiraro. Kitoko. Here we go. Tara no titaha, titaha. Titaha, heto, heto, heto. Kamaya, kamaya, heto, heto, kamaya, kamaya, he kakano, ruia mai, hirangi a te, papaki titaha, titaha. Uhia, 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 te kaha, uhia, uhia, te Hū, ka pai. Te o kaha hoki. Whew. It was choice haka, man. It was awesome, in fact. It's cool haka, eh? Yeah. I love the kōrero in that first part. For you, our young people. He to, kia maia, kia maia. I am a warrior. I am a warrior. I will be brave. I will be brave. Hey? And then the second part in there. Uhia te kaha kia tūranga tira mo a pōpō. Yeah? Adorn yourself with the strength and the skills that you, our young people, need. The skills that you need to be our leaders of tomorrow. Hey? Koina te tikanga o te haka. That's what this haka is all about. It's all about you, our young people, rising up and being our leaders of our pōpō. Eh? Kia ora koutou. Mate korona. What do you want to do? Do you want to warm up for mate korona, or you just want to jump in and go hard out straight away? Tell me what you want to do. Show of hands. Who wants to go hard out straight away? Show of hands. Majority rules. Hard out straight away. Mate korona. Here we go. Get up. Whakarongo ki taku korero tūpato. Mate korona e ki te ti, ki te taku o uru o te hua ke tōnei i te whenua o te aroa. I te tōrua mana ua te kou. Pau tū te rangi. Kora huiti o te kawanai. I ngā kura, ngā mahi, ngā hui, ngā tūtaki. Hakatu te rere, hahapori. O te mate korona e. No hoki te koinga kia. Haumaru te noho. Horeia, horinga ringa. Tūtirara, noho tawhiti tū. Kota hie, haue, 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 hei. Ooh. Hey, talk about stepping up to the challenge. Well done, whānau. Well done, Te Miriki Ma. That was awesome. Whew. You're really taken to this haka and you're doing a fantastic job on it, man. Keep it up, whānau. Keep it up. Tēnā koutou e ngā, kei mahi marika, he mahi tonu ana e. Ia mātou e no, ho he maru ana, ka mahi tonu koutou I ngā ratonga mo tātou. Tēnā koutou e ngā, kei mahi marika, he mahi tonu ana e. Hope with the actions. Tēnā koutou e ngā, kei mahi marika, he mahi tonu ana e. Ia mātou e no, ho maru ana. Kia mahi tonu koutou I ngā ratonga mo tātou. Tēnā koutou e ngā, kei mahi marika, he mahi tonu ana e. E mahi tonu ana, tāhiru a tōru wā, hia wehi. Man, cool song, eh? Kai mahi marika. Kōrero mai, say with me. Kai mahi marika. And kai mahi marika is essential worker. Ka pai? And the other kupu we're looking for in there is ratonga and ratonga services. Ka pai? So basically, we're mihi atu and we're thanking all of our essential workers. And we're saying that while we're all sitting safe in our bubbles, you are the ones that are continuing to go out and provide those services for all of us. And then back to the top, once again, just acknowledging all of our essential workers. Ka pai, kia ora tātou. Do you have essential workers in your bubble, in your family? Ah, kia ora, kia ora. Well, thank them on behalf of all of us. Eh? Kia ora tātou. Tēnā koutou, e hoa mā, kua tai mai nei, I tēnei wā, no rei rara, e hoa mā, kia ora rā, koutou katoa, together. Kua rongo hoki aho, kua rongo hoki aho, kua rongo hoki aho, kei te haere mai koutou, no reira rā, e hoa mā, kia ora rā, koutou katoa. Choice, kuma te paki e te whānau. Before we get into, well, as I'm setting up for our story time today, our kōrero Pūrākau, just a big mihi atu to tāne rau and te paia, just tuning in week in, day in, day out, and also our whānau up at Arapohue School. Hey, I see you guys, I see you there, and also, you know, we've got a lot of whānau that are tuning in from overseas. Especially over in Australia, we've got a lot of whānau that join us from Australia. So all of our Sydney, Melbourne, Gold Coast. We've got whānau from over in Perth that keep tuning in as well. And just want to say that, you know, I appreciate all of you. I appreciate all of you for coming and joining in, and thank you for the honour and privilege of being able to bring you a slice of our culture. All right, just gonna grab a little seat here. First of all, I hope everyone can see me. And second of all, it's story time, kōrero Pūrākau. So this is something that we're doing a little bit different to what we did in the last lockdown, where on a Thursdays you can join me after kapa haka for a little bit of a kōrero Pūrākau. So before I get into our story today, make sure you find yourself somewhere comfortable, on the couch or on the floor or in your favourite chair, wherever you like. Are you ready to? Ka pai, kia ora tātou. Well, today's kōrero Pūrākau is actually two parts, and we're only going to look at part one today. And the kōrero that we're looking at is our Māori creation story. Yeah. Hands up if you've heard a version of our Māori creation story before. Kia ora. And as you're listening to my version of the story, I want you to see if you can recognize any differences. Are there differences in the story that I'm telling you to the version of the story that you've heard, or the version of the story that you know? Ka pai, and if you do hear those differences, just know that those differences are kei te pai. It's okay for our stories to have differences, because before we were all Māori, we were iwi, and we still are iwi. And every iwi tell our stories just a little bit different. And that's okay. Lean into the differences. Ka pai? Here we go, whānau. I te tīmatanga ko te kore nui, ko te kore roa, ko te kore tākia mai te tīmatanga. In the beginning there was nothing, te kore. But te kore, although it represented nothing, te kore for us as Māori represents potential. The empty space of te kore allows for creativity to take place. Matua te kore ka puta ko te pō nui, ko te pō roa, ko te pō tango, ko te pō tiwa, ko te pō kere. And from within the nothing came the night, the long night, the dark night, the restless night. And dwelling in that dark night was Rangi Nui and Papatuanuku. Two beings locked in a tight embrace, committed and in love with one another. Rangi Nui and Papatuanuku was soon to become our Earth Mother and our Sky Father. But not just yet, not yet. At the moment, they are still just who they are. Rangi nui e papatuanuku. Dwelling within the tight crawl space between their loving embrace were the children of Rangi nui e papatuanuku. And depending on what iwi is telling the story, the number of children ranges from a handful of brothers right through to 100 and something different or recognized atua in that pre-separation phase of Rangi and Papa. The story that I'm going to tell you just focuses on a handful of brothers. One day, the brothers that were trapped in the darkness between their two parents, some of them got a little bit of hoha in being stuck between their parents, and a conversation started amongst some of them. Boo! Man, I'm sick of crawling around on my belly. I'm sick of this darkness. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. Oh, this is not fair, eh? Nah, it's not fair, man. Oh, what do you reckon we should do? One of them said. Oh, Chair, how about we split them up? How about we push Mama and Papa apart? How about we separate them with enough space for us to stand up and move around and do some activities? Well, this sounded like a pretty good idea to some of the brothers. Two of the brothers, on the other hand, well, they really didn't want to be part of the conversation. It's not that they were against the separation, but I don't know if they felt like they were for the separation either. And these two brothers, Haumia Tiki and Rongo Mātāne, they just opted to stay out of the conversation. Tūmatauenga, Tāne Mahuta and Tangaro all thought that, hey, look, separating could be a good venture for us. It could be a fantastic investment for our future. Oh, and then there was Tāwhiri Mātea. Well, Tāwhiri Mātea wasn't happy about it at all. No. In fact, Tāwhiri Mātea, he warned the brothers not to go ahead and do it. He felt so strongly about keeping his parents and honouring their embrace that he didn't want to mess with that, and he warned his brothers not to go through with it. Now, this particular attitude towards the separation is going to make a lot of sense when you start learning about the story of Matariki. But for now, let's continue with our creation story. So one by one, the three brothers that did want to separate them, they all took it in turns to try and separate their parents. The first of the brothers to try and separate their parents was Tūmatauenga, the oldest and the strongest of the brothers. Tūmatauenga, he lay on his back, psyched himself up, put his hands on the chest of his father, and using the power in his arms, he started to push and push and push, and he was struggling to push them. He couldn't do it. He didn't have it in him. He couldn't split them up. How embarrassing it was for Tūmatauenga. I think he thought he had it in the bag, but he couldn't do it. And I think for Tūmatauenga, yeah, he did feel a little bit embarrassed. I think he felt that because he was the oldest and the strongest of the brothers, he should have been the one to separate them. And when he failed, well, he crept off into the darkness to be alone with his bodhi, with his sadness, and his feelings of failure, I guess. Ka aroha ki aia. Now, the second of the brothers was Tangaroa, and Tangaroa, he watched Tūmatauenga try to push Rangi Nui up to no success. So Tangaroa, he jumped in the posse, and this time though, Tangaroa, he hopped in press-up position. So he put his back against Rangi Nui, and if he couldn't push Rangi Nui up, maybe he could force Papa Tuanuku down. So he put his back against Rangi Nui and started pushing down with his arms, using his arms to push, and he's struggling, and he's exerting all of the force that he possibly can through his arms to try and separate Rangi Nui and Papa Tuanuku. But like his older brother Tūmatauenga, he failed at the task. He was unable. He didn't have it in him to separate the two parents. I don't think Tangaroa was embarrassed as Tūmatauenga was for not having separated them. So Tangaroa, he offered the opportunity to Tāne Mahuta. And in fact, he encouraged Tāne Mahuta to give it a red hot go. Taine Mahuta had seen the failure of his brothers in that they were unable to separate their parents using their arms. So Taine Mahuta thought, well, if I can leverage off the leverage, if I can leverage off the leverage of my legs, if I can use the power in my legs with some mechanical advantage, maybe I might be successful in this venture. And he did just that. Taine Mahuta lay his back against Papatuanuku, and he brought his feet up to his chest and his knees up to his chest. He put his feet against the chest of his father, Ranginui, and started to use his legs to force them apart. And he was struggling and he was pushing. And unlike before, this time, there was a rumbling across the world. There was a sever in the tie between the two parents. And slowly, Taine Mahuta, yeah, he did. He started to force these parents apart. He started to separate Ranginui and Papatuanuku. And for the first time, light started to pour into their void. Light from the outside universe poured into their world. Haere tu te pō, nau mai te ao. Say farewell to the darkness and welcome in the light. And as Taine Mahuta is separating his parents, one might think that Taine Mahuta felt victorious in the venture. Some might think that Taine Mahuta was really happy and proud that he was the one to be able to separate them, that he was experiencing some feelings of victory. Yeah, I'm the one that did it. But, you know, I like to think that, no, not at all. In fact, I think that when Taine Mahuta was separating his parents, his heart was breaking inside. And that he had this internal conflict of his emotions, because although he felt that separating his parents was the right thing to do, it was actually hard for him to do. It was hard for Taine Mahuta to separate his parents, knowing fully well that he was tearing them apart, and that his parents were in love with each other, and he was forcing them apart. He was the child that was forcing the separation between his parents. And for Taine Mahuta, that was the price that he had to pay. That was the utu, the cost that had to be paid for Taine Mahuta in separating his parents, was that Taine Mahuta had to live the rest of his existence knowing how much pain and hurt he caused his parents. And I think that's a part of the story that's often overlooked, is the emotional impact that the separation had on Taine Mahuta. Kia ora. Taine Mahuta had separated his parents so far apart that now the brothers, they could stand up. They had light, they could move around, and they could do activities. But Taine Mahuta went further than that. Taine Mahuta continued to separate his parents so far apart that they were unable to reach out and touch each other, because Taine Mahuta knew that if he could reach, if the parents could reach out and touch each other, then they could reach out and grab each other and be able to pull each other back together again, and the separation would have been in vain. So Taine Mahuta continued to force them apart until such time that Taine Mahuta was satisfied that the separation was going to be everlasting. The story of our Māori creation story, part 1, finishes there. Part 1 of the Māori creation story is the separation. And that's where the separation finishes. Part 2, we'll pick it up next week. And in part 2, we'll see what the Atua do with the space and the access and the resources that they now have. Part 1 of our Māori creation story, the Atua split Ranginui and Papatuanuku. Part 2, tune in next week to find out what they do with this opportunity. Thank you so much for joining me for Kōrero Pūrākau today. I hope that it was a different version to the story than what you've already heard. There's a lot of value in hearing different versions of our Kōrero Pūrākau. Okay? Lean into the differences. Thank you for coming out and spending some time with me today. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your Thursday. From my whānau to your whānau, our whānau, kia haumaru te noho, ka kite anō tamariki mā, haere rā.